Alright then, and it's another day at Road America, last race of the weekend. Getting the cars ready to go. It's supposed to be 90 degrees by the middle of the day. I'm already a little warm, but that's because I was putting all the cameras in the cars. I had them overheat yesterday, so trying something different today. I put aluminum tape heat sinks on them, which I think will keep them from overheating. So we shall see what happens. Otherwise, I'm ready to go. We just gotta wait for everybody else to get ready. But going to be a good day. Okay, we're in pre-grid before race 2.
For the crowd stripe,
There's Clay.
Here in the SRO 3 category, certainly going to take that second place without a doubt. This was Jaspelos and Bartondo.
And there's Christian coming off the second place finish for race 1.
The pumping turns remain. Also, did a good job running away from everybody as well. So Zabo back there in third, about 5 seconds behind. So they've been.
There's BJ.
I need you to plug me in.
Ready to go.
How the heck did they put these guys way down here?
Good question. So we're getting off the pre-grid, heading over to the pit.
I'll go out for podium.
Race 2. Clay's on the front line with Christian right behind him. PJ's on the front line for TCA. And Bruce is bringing up the rear of TCA. How are you? This is a video, not a...
Oh, good.
You're good?
Ready for race 2.
Ready for race 2? You ready for race 2?
Yep.
bench, please.
And Clay Williams got first place, so we're heading over to the winner's circle to congratulate him.
TC America, powered by Skip Harbor.
I would have to cycle it like 4 times to get it to like actually run again. I wouldn't run it. It should be stuck.
Buddy, you did it.
It did the same thing again, but at least we finished. Dude, it did it again with like 5 minutes to go, and I was like, oh shit. And it wouldn't come back. I was like,
yeah, we were like, what?
I'm gonna charge up on it.
So coming in today, I think I was like points ahead. So this is pretty crucial. How many kids do you think he has?
All right, folks, we're going to move things right along into the TC class. Coming home in 3rd place in the number 37 Mini JCW Team, Mini JCW. I want to hear it for Christian Paracarpe!
way to go, Mom.
And in P2, in the number 78 Gen Racer Rika Auto Sports Hyundai, let's hear it for Jeff Rika! And on the top step of the podium, in the number 60 Mini JCW, Clay Williams! Thank you so much, drivers. If you can switch on over to those VP Racing caps and then raise those trophies again for me. Thank you so much, drivers. Put those Pirelli caps back on. And then you know what to do. Spray the champagne!
I hope he's going to get it. We gotta keep it going, kid. We gotta keep it going. I want an actual.
Let's hear it again here for your TC class podium.
Okay, so I got put in charge of handling the hot laps today, but meanwhile Christian, the social butterfly, is talking to everybody that he can talk to before the hot laps because he's driving the car. So I'm gonna get down there, get everybody settled in, and wait, basically. So, alright, the first victim is in Christian's car. For the hot laps.
Yeah, absolutely.
If Gresham Wagner takes this win, he has outsmarted
Y'all ready?
Gonzalez, I think.
You ready?
Absolutely, this is awesome.
Y'all ready to have some fun?
Yeah, I don't even know if we're going. We might not be going.
Why's that?
The rest of the safety cars are going for a cool down lap behind the NSX, and then they will exit the track.
I'll let you guys out.
Really?
Oh yeah. Fish ready on the hot lap or cool down? The rest of the cars are cool down.
Yeah, I gotta do it. So you guys get a slow lap around Road America.
And then you get Nevin and Abby in a fast lap.
Pit lanes are pretty good. You're clear. Copy that, and everybody is here. Yeah, that's in order, correct? Yes, correct. In order, yes. Yeah, 50 go to race control. Every car but the NSX is on a cool down. I'm going to stage the safety car at the end of pit road for the World Challenge race. Does everybody else have permission to round the end of the wall off the track and make sure it's out? Stand by. Let's have everybody but the NSX pull off at 13. They are loading the pit lane, which will challenge all non-continuing hot lap cars. Please exit at turn 13 at the cutout. I just had enough fuel, please, to fill it up fuel. Safety car only has permission to back up to the front of the field. And Pennsylvania left, Charlie 120.
We exiting?
Yeah, I believe so.
What are we doing?
Yeah, we're exiting. You guys got to go for a cool down lap. So that was fun-ish.
Yeah.
I'll take you back up to,
Okay.
It's okay asking what was the reasoning.
because I think they got to start this race.
Okay, 6 car race control. The 4 hot lap cars are in the main paddock area. Clear of the race.
And that concludes an eventful weekend at Road America. And we're all tired.
Yes.
And
Hottest day of the week.
Hottest day of the week. Oh my God.
Put it into the exhaust.
Well, it was a successful day.
Successful day, yep.
Yep.
There we go. We'll see you all at the next race.